Kasco designs sacrificial anodes to be rare items. The goal is to attract corrosive properties in the water to the anode itself instead of the other metal parts in the assembly. Because of this, you will need to replace the sacrificial anode throughout the unit's lifespan. The timing and frequency of changing these anodes is very dependent on the water your Kasco unit is in. If your unit is in salt water or water that has more corrosive elements in it, you will need to replace the anode more frequently. The anode should be replaced every year or sooner if it has been depleted to half its original size or is white in color. Tools needed: 9/64-inch long handle Allen wrench, Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, small hammer. Start by removing the Kasco unit from the water source and cleaning it. Once the unit is clean, remove the float if applicable. Now locate the sacrificial anode on the motor shaft. Grab your 9/64-inch Allen wrench and remove both screws until the anode is easily removable from the shaft. In some cases of extreme wear, the anode may be stuck on the shaft. If yours is stuck, grab your flathead screwdriver and hammer. Use the flathead to pry the anode away and the hammer to tap the flathead in if necessary. Once the old anode is removed, grab your replacement and start installing it on the motor shaft and resting it on top of the debris flinger. If the unit does not have a debris flinger, then place the anode a half-inch above the seal guard. Once the anode is in place, tighten the screws using your 9/64-inch long handle Allen wrench. Once your replacement anode is secured on the shaft, reattach the float. Your unit is now ready to be placed back in your water source. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 715-262-4488, and the best customer service in the industry will be there to help you out. Kasco, moving water forward since 1968.